Revitalizing 3-in-1. By far the most borrowed item from our beach house, this leave-in helps detangle, condition and protect even the most damaged locks. Enhance and restore hair while controlling frizz and preventing split ends. Everyday hair treatment. This special vegan blend helps restore moisture, repair damage, reduce tangles and slow color fading with sunflower seed oil and quinoa protein. It's perfect for all hair types and will leave your hair smooth and shiny. How to use. Spray in wet or dry hair, comb through or tousle with fingers for hydrated, soft, and tangle-free locks. No need to rinse. Sonny's tip. For tight and tricky knots, spray liberally and use a wide tooth comb. Protect your hair. The key to maintaining healthy locks is healthy, natural ingredients. This revitalizing hair product is enriched with coconut oil and banana and pulp, and is vegan, gluten, cruelty and paraben free. It's gonna be your new fave. Trust the bum. What does that mean? It means trust us, the ones who live on the beach and need products that work on the most intense days in the sun. The simple truth is, when you make products to protect the ones you love, you make them better. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing product. I really loved this product. Most summers my hair has gotten lighter in color, but this helped to maintain color, and I was very happy with how soft it made my hair. It comes in a smaller bottle, so at first I wasn't sure about it, but it is totally worth it and has lasted me a long time. Definitely worth it.